Hey, I'm Candace at Candace Abroad, and today I'm going to show you how to spend a day in one of my favorite cities, London, with GoCity. Let's go! London is the largest metropolis city in the United Kingdom and home to thousands of years of history, art, and culture. So, with so many options, where do we start? Let's go to the Tower of London. So before we go in, I'm going to show you how easy it is to explore London with GoCity and how much you can save too. Exploring with GoCity is all based on the number of attractions and experiences you want to visit. So before your purchase, just decide if you want to see 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, or 7 attractions. Then open your app, activate your passes, and you're good to go. Alright you guys, we are officially in the Tower of London. It is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and you can literally feel the history here. A bit of background. After the conquer of Britain and establishing of a monarchy, William the Conqueror decided to build over 700 castles to protect his land across England and Wales, and this was originally the White Tower, used for everything from a grand fortress to a royal residence, a zoo, and even an execution site. While here, I suggest visiting the famous Ravens, the Beef Eaters, don't forget your pictures, the White Tower, the Watergate, and the Sacred Crown Jewels, which unfortunately don't allow any cameras. Now that we've stepped back in time, it's time to step forward and up Tower Bridge. So I'm just gonna open my GoCity app again, they'll scan it quick, and then we're in. While here, you'll learn a bit of history around the bridge's past on your long journey to the top, but the real showstopper is the glass walkway, which sits 42 meters above the Thames with unmatched views across the city. Alright you guys, I don't know how trippy it is to explain the situation going on right here. You can literally see above everything. This is my first time doing this and I am just in the clouds. It's so cool. Wow, I don't think I'll ever be able to look at Tower Bridge the same, but it did make me want to explore more of the Thames. So we're gonna grab some lunch and go back to the river. Alright you guys, we are full of fish and chips and ready to see more of London, so we're going to take a ride along the Thames with City Cruises. Again, just using our GoCity app, we'll scan our passes, get inside, super quick, super easy. So yeah, let's go! So London and the Thames are basically like air and water. You really can't have one without the other. Not only is it a major part of London's history, but present day it's also home to some of London's most iconic sites, like the Oxford Tower, St. Paul's Cathedral, the Sky Garden, the Shard, HMS Belfast, and of course Tower Bridge, from a new perspective, which you can all see in one beautiful ride along the Thames. Okay you guys, we have been to Royal Fortresses, we have walked across Tower Bridge, we have rode along the Thames, and we need to escape from the London rain now, so let's grab a drink at the Chocolate Cocktail Club. So we've made it to Farringdon and our last stop on our Go City tour across London, the UK's first and only chocolate cocktail club. Let's order some chocolatinis! Alright you guys, so I'm actually here with Rachel, the co-owner of the Chocolate Cocktail Club, and I just want to know, because this is not your average bar, what is the story, how did it come to be, tell me everything.
Yeah, so we actually came up with the idea on a trip to Las Vegas. There is a large chocolate bar in one of the big hotels, and I knew it, so I wanted to go there and drag Holly, because I love chocolate, I'm a chocoholic.
Yeah.
So when we tasted these cocktails, we thought this is such a unique idea, and the UK would absolutely love this
Everything
kind of idea
chocolate.
as well. Yeah. So on the plane on the way home, we were writing the business plan. We were so excited by it, and then the minute we got home, we started doing pop-ups just to test the market to see if the UK are ready for chocolate cocktails.
They were ready.
They were ready. And then we did 4 consecutive pop-ups and they were all really successful. So we just thought, why not? We need to go full-time and get our own venue. So luckily we found this one,
Okay, and I have to ask, what is your favorite chocolate cocktail?
So there's a lot that are my favourite.
Lots.
I love the Clockwork Orange.
Okay.
Terry's chocolate orange. Clockwork Orange is a classic combination with chocolate and orange. It's such a traditional combination, and it's just mouth-watering. You'll love it if you try it.
Okay,
really nice.
After the chocotini, go for that. Whoa, what a day. I hope this gave you some ideas for how to spend a lovely day in London, and I still can't believe how easy it was to save more, experience more, and have a hassle-free day in the city, all thanks to Go City. Now we have a lot more cities to cover, so I'm gonna see you real soon. Happy travels, bye.